Hey everybody, Nate Lee here, and I'm going to show you how to make that awful screech from Orange Blossom Special. I am not responsible for divorce or families that are torn apart, and I'd like to remind you that making this sound is the best way to let someone know that you hate them. All right, here's how to do it. If you don't know Orange Blossom Special, it's that train song with all the all that kind of stuff, has the fast all that shuffly stuff. All that stuff. And at the end, usually has some train stuff like this. And now it's time for the awful screech. And I know most people are thinking, I don't need help screeching on my fiddle. But there is a right way and a wrong way to make this awful screech. So here's what you do. You put your bow behind the bridge. And I usually go for the A string, but D string is fine as well. You put it there, and then you just bow. Now, if you don't use very much pressure, it's going to sound like that. So you need enough pressure to make it crunch. It's awful, I know, but it's how you've got to end the song. All right, good luck with that horrible screech. I hope nobody has to hear you practicing it, and that they never have to hear it until you're done playing Orange Blossom Special. Bye, everybody.